Alright, this is going to be part 3 in our fractions video series. This is going to cover fractions on a number line. Fractions on a number line. Again, here are our teaks. So you can see we're adding some fractions where our numerator might be greater than 0, and our numerator also might be greater than our denominator. So here we've got a number line. We've got a 1 and a 2. And what they want us to do is see how we can place, what size block we can place in each of those spaces to equal 1. It turns out that if I put 5 blocks in there, fifths, what I would do is I would count this as 1. So from here to here is worth 1/5. And this would be 2 fifths, 3 fifths, 4 fifths, and finally this last one from here all the way to here is 5 fifths. And realize 5 fifths is equal to 1 whole, so they're the same. Hey, it made a snowman. Okay, so we labeled it. We continue to add the unit fractions until we get to the whole. And I would continue going to make a mixed. So wait, continue to add fractions between the whole numbers 1 and 2. Oh, label is improper fractions, sorry. So this would be 5 fifths, 6 fifths, 7 fifths, 8 fifths, 9 fifths, and yes, 10 fifths. Okay, and then to do them as mixed numbers, I'll change that up a little bit. That's the easy part. 1 1/5, 1 2 fifths, 1 3 fifths, 1 4 fifths, 1 and 5 fifths, or, well, 2. Okay. So they want to do the same thing here. This time, it's going to be a little bit different size, and I'm just going to show you how I would do it without the fraction towers. Label that as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, the total number of pieces in one whole is going to be my denominator. Total number of pieces all the way starting at this first tick mark right here, all the way to 1 is 6, so that's my denominator. And to prove that to you, right there, sixths. So again, they want us to do the improper fractions and the mixed fractions again. So this is 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All those are sixths. Change it around. 1 and 1/6, 1 and 2/6, 1 and 3/6, 1 and 4/6, 1 and 5/6, 1 and 6/6. Okay, you guys get the picture. So what mixed number represents the dot on the number line? So I'm going to start at the first whole number that I know. Well, in this case, it's going to be 0. I'm going to count the spaces between 0 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 total pieces, which means that's my denominator. Which means that this is going to be, does it say mixed number? It does say mixed number. So great. 1, 1/4, 1, 2/4, 1, 3/4. Okay, this 2/4 right here, that's going to be kind of important. Keep that in mind. We're going to come back to that here in just a second. How many unit fractions are in the whole? So label each tick mark between 0 and 1. Label each tick mark between 1 and 2 as mixed numbers. What mixed number represents the dot? 1 and 3/4. Okay. So how many unit fractions are between 1 or between 0 and the whole? Well, there's 4 unit fractions. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and another 1/4. And that's how we get 4/4. Okay, let's do another one. how many unit fractions are in this hole. So we're going to start at 0, 1, 2, 3. And then so again, we're looking at mixed numbers. 1 and 1/3. I'm just going to kind of stop there. Change it up just a little bit. Now we start at 31. We see we've got 32, and it looks like maybe, is that 2/7? Kind of looks like 2/7. Well, it's a horrible copy of it. Let's see if that holds true. If that's 2/7, then this is going to be 3/7, 4/7, 5/7. So yeah, okay, so 32, and keep going with the sevenths. 32 and 1/7. That's 32 right there. So I know that my number is going to be 31 and something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know that would be my 7th. We already know our denominator because remember, they gave us our denominator right there. So 31 and 4/7. It's 31 and 4/7. Oh, done. Alright guys, that is fractions of the number line in a nutshell. If you have any questions, write them down on your whisk and bring them to class.